Sir, this is the alert menu. On the this will show you. I have cleared till alert here and press button here. We can take after you can use the properties for click me. After that, whether to press OK or cancel. So if you press OK, it will show OK. If you press cancel, it will show cancel. So let us. I'll show you the code what I have written. So normally this is all I have used the button X path, full X path I have taken in this case, because normally X path is not taking full X path I have taken. When I am clicking on that, I have given a time little bit to display the here alert blocks with OK button. If I accept, I have used it to dismiss and run it. So let us check, sir. So now this is alert shown. Automatically it will be clicking you. After it will be pressing cancel and it will be shown. Otherwise if it is OK, it will be pressed. It will be shown as you pressed OK. Okay, this is all related to alert box. Thank you.